So for documentation purposes, this tube was connected to this, and it goes into the drain system, which goes into this wall and somehow comes out on this side of the house. This is for the drain, and it's down there where you can't see it, but it's to the left of it's to the right of the air conditioning compressor, left as you're looking at it from up here. So you got quite a run of PVC pipe, 3/4 inch PVC pipe, to evacuate the condensed water out of this tray into, well, heading toward the outside. This is what the original system looked like. I have to cut this pipe here because everything is glued together, and discovery that when you attempt to unscrew this fitting, it impacts against this. The new system that I'm going to put in is going to be different because I'm going to extend this out so it will clear this angle connection, and you'll be able to unscrew it. But for me to be able to get this off, I'm going to have to cut it here and then replace it with something that's going to roughly look like this. Make it extend out past this connection so that you will be able to unscrew it and screw it back in easily. So this is what it looked like. And this is what it's going to be changed to. There's your extension, which is going to go in the place of this thing. And it's going to bring that angle out and steer me into the exhaust conduit, which is right there. Right here. Let me get to work.